Okay, now I understand that this type of worksheet is not really preferred in the PDF format. So most of the time we'll find ways to convert PDF to a Word file, or to put all these question in online quizzes, and that takes a lot of time. So that may not be necessary anymore. If you have Adobe Acrobat DC installed in your computer, I'll share the link of the app in the description box down there. And if you open with the Adobe Acrobat DC, here in the Adobe Acrobat DC, first of all, I would like to show the highlight function, whereby you can use highlight to pick your answer for multiple choice questions, and several other questions which highlighter can be useful and suitable. And if you want to write your answers, all you have to do is use the fill and sign function. Place the cursor where you want to write your answer. So let's say if the answer or here is supposed to be C, I type C. Once done, once finish working with the worksheet, all we have to do is save the file. It will save as a PDF file. All you have to do is click save. Once the file is saved, the file will be saved as a PDF as well, but with the answers in, and our students can turn in the PDF to their respective teachers after the class. Thank you.